How to fix Telegram too many attempts on your iOS or Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix such issue there regarding your Telegram too many attempts. So when you try to log in, so in that case, first thing what you need to do is just head over to your settings on your device and just search in for VPN, or head over to VPN settings. So once inside it, just select VPN and make sure if you have any VPN enabled, just make sure you have disabled it. And so next thing what you can do is just search in for country or region and make sure you have selected the correct country or region for your device. And once you do all of that, finally just scroll all the way down until you see the apps section. Just tap on this and from over here just search in for Telegram application and just scroll down again and click on storage option and clear all the cache from over here, clear all the data from over here, and try restarting your application and try re-login with your login credentials. So after you do all of that options, and if it's still not working, then there might be a problem regarding your phone number. So try changing your phone number and try re-login with your account, and the issue should be fixed just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.